Visual Studio 2010 offers you a powerful suite of tools for managing your projects, maintaining your code, and finding and resolving bugs. Testers and developers work together to ensure that they are building and delivering the right application the right way. In Visual Studio 2010, testers will have a new ally in the war on bugs, Visual Studio Test Professional 2010. You can use this tool to capture and update test requirements, automate navigation of manual tests, and speed up the lifecycle. Paired with the Microsoft Test Manager 2010, you can define and manage your testing efforts by using test plans. You can add any test suites, test cases, or test configuration to the test plans. Test Manager 2010 makes it easy to create and run manual tests, record manual test steps, and attach screenshots and videos to bugs. You'll also have the ability to create automated UI tests or coded UI tests that you generate from a published test case in Team Foundation Server, which can be run as part of automated test suites. Coded UI tests can be created to automatically navigate through the UI of your application, which in turn can be used to verify that the paths your users might take through your application are working properly. Another new addition to Visual Studio 2010 is Microsoft Visual Studio Lab Management 2010. Using Visual Studio Lab Management 2010, you can create virtual environments that contain multiple computers and roles for running unit tests when you code a new application. Moreover, testers can run their test cases on virtual environments and also attach snapshots of the environment to bugs. For testers and developers, one of the most contentious issues is non-reproducible bugs. In Visual Studio 2010, IntelliTrace makes this a thing of the past. IntelliTrace, a powerful new debugging tool, provides you with a comprehensive picture of all the events that occurred in the past and the context in which they occurred. You can file bugs that include a series of snapshots that show the state of the application as it changes throughout time. You can then access the snapshots to view events that occurred earlier when the application was run and easily resolve the bugs. For developers, the new call hierarchy feature helps them understand the execution flow of their program in the editor without invoking the debugger. In the call hierarchy window in Visual Studio 2010, you can identify the calls in and out of a given method. Testing an application is crucial in the development lifecycle. Not only does it ensure that the application is bug-free, but also that all the requirements have been delivered as specified. To ensure that requirements are developed and tracked, Visual Studio 2010 provides support for many agile development tools that help you and your team to work together and manage projects successfully. You can use tools like Microsoft Office Excel, Microsoft Office Project, and historical data to help manage your project's capacity. A popular technique in the software development is test-first development, which is part of the Agile development methodology in Visual Studio 2010. Now with Visual Studio 2010, you can easily test portions of your code before you write the full application. Test-first development is a style that helps you create tests and implement the tested classes and code in your file. With Visual Studio 2010, you can quickly write the code without the need to step out of the development flow to declare the tested class. On the whole, with Visual Studio 2010, you can unleash your creativity and deliver innovative solutions with the support of powerful editing and design tools. Visual Studio 2010 also helps you and your team to simplify common tasks by using a set of integrated tools that allow everyone on a project to work together seamlessly. Finally, by using the advanced debugging, diagnostic, and project management tools in Visual Studio 2010, you and your team can be assured of building the right application the right way.